Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I got 2016 Mercedes C Class. Basically, this customer came to me this morning and he need to top up screen washer. Even he's not sure where he need to add screen washer. He tried to add screen washer to antifreeze container, basically coolant container. So then after that, I'll show him how we going to top up engine bay, but same time I thought I'm going to do the video, and he also request from me. Unfortunately, I said to him, you do, I will do the video, but he said he's scared for the camera. Anyway, now I'm going to do this video for him and you all. Right, first of all, if you need to open the bonnet, and the other thing, he don't know how to open the bonnet. He had this car nearly 4 years, so that's a thing ongoing, but no need to laugh. Everyone doesn't know. He said he don't know any mechanic, but he don't want to know the mechanic, but this is normal general day-to-day based things ongoing. I'll show you how we going to open the bonnet. First, you need to go underneath here. You can see this red color. This is the handle for the bonnet opener. You need to pull very gently. Right now your bonnet open. After that, you have another latch in the close to the driver side. You need to press this one. You need to press this one. Then after that, you can open the bonnet. Basically, this vehicle has a two coolant tank, one for the engine and one for the gearbox. You can use the same coolant for the both tanks. Check main dealer description. Now we can't see from outside, this is the maximum level, but we can't see from outside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open the cap, but make sure if vehicle hot, don't open this cap. You ending with burn your hand, face. Be careful, open very gently if the vehicle hot. But most good time for the checking like this engine bay top ups, early morning before you start the car. Then all coolant, engine oil, everything settle down, then you can get correct figures. Right, I'm going to open this cap. Right, you can see inside this white bit, and you can see the coolant level very low. You can come until this black level. This is the level. If you're not sure from the outside, this is the level. You can top up until close to this black section. Now at the moment coolant bit low, I need to top up the coolant. Now you can see it came exactly close to the black level. Black level mean this cover. Right, now I can close the lid. You can see this both symbol same. See, this is radiator mark, and that symbol also same like a radiator mark. When vehicle hot, better to not to open. Right, next step, I'm going to show you how we going to top up engine oil if it needed and check engine oil level. Right, you can see this symbol. This is for all cars. This symbol common for the all cars. This symbol mean you can top up engine oil from here. Right, you can open the cap and you can top up oil from here. When you're going to top up, make sure first of all check with your supplier and make sure which grade of oil this vehicle hold. Don't go to mix up, because some people say, oh, my vehicle holding 5W30. That's correct, but when you come into the 5W30, after 5W30, more varieties, FD, CX, C3, like that varieties there. But all cars not holding 5W30. Sometime need a go with other varieties. Be careful. Check with your part supplier. If you're not sure, check with your Mercedes dealer. They will let you know what's exactly oil grade this car holding. If you're not using correct grade of the oil, you might be ending after 1 or 2 years stretch timing belt. Sometime if your vehicle has belt, sometime it might be stretch your belt, because I'm talking about the wet cam belt. Be careful because of that. Make sure always use correct grade of oil. Next step, I'm going to show you how we're going to check the oil level. Before you check the oil level, make sure your vehicle park in a level surface like this, because not tilt up or downward tilt, you get the wrong figure. And the best time to check the oil level in the morning. This is the dipstick. You can take out and wipe the dipstick. Basically this is the maximum level. You can see that this arrow, this is the minimum level. But most diesel cars, this is the diesel Mercedes, don't going to top up until for the this level. Leave it like a couple of mil lower than the top level, because this car need to do the regen process. Sometime while we do the regen process, diesel send it to the engine bay. Then after that your oil level going high. If your oil level going high, onboard computer identify oil dilution problem. Be careful when you're going to top up. Make sure always top up little bit lower than the maximum level. And also when you're going to top up little bit, leave it couple of minutes to go until bottom. Then after that check the oil level, because some people pouring, check, oh, oil low, do again. Then when he check in second or third time, he don't know he had lot of oil into the engine bay. If you add more oil to the engine bay, you can't remove. You have to go to the garage, or you have to open underneath some nut and drain it. It's bit hassle. Because of that, top up bit, leave it couple of minutes, and install the dipstick and check the level. We'll see this car has a at the moment level here little bit high, right? Then that's why the problem, sometime when it's going to regen process, it's adding more diesel to the engine bay, then your oil level going high. That's why I mentioned in the before, make sure little bit lower the maximum level, then you are okay for the next whole year. Basically I feeling this car need a service. Now you know how to check the oil level, right? Also next step, I'm going to show you open this cover and what happened inside this cover. If you need to open this cover, you can turn this screw, lift up and pull, right? Underneath here your air filter. If you need to read to the air filter, or if you need to change your air filter, you need to remove these screws. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 4 5 screws. Then you can lift up and you can remove. You don't want to remove this ECU, you can leave it as it is when you're going to change the air filter, right? Next step, this customer problem, he need to do the screen washer, he need to top up screen washer here, right? That's why main my concern to do this video, right? You can see this symbol, this is the screen washer. You can top until neck level. This container doesn't have a minimum and maximum level. You can go to the until neck level, right? Okay, now next step, once I do like this video, many people ask how we going to check gearbox oil. To be honest, you can do, but it's not easy. Even I'm not going to touch this gearbox, because it's bit complicated gearbox this vehicle has. Because of that, it's not possible to do it at your home. You need a special equipment. Because of that, I'm not going to show you how we going to check the gear oil, or how we going to top up or whatever. I'm not talking in this moment, because it's bit complicated procedure. Right, next step, these days very cold outside, sometime your battery might be flat. If your battery flat, I'll show you how we're going to jump start. You can see this one, you can see plus mark here, you can open, this is the plus, right? And this is your negative line. When you're going to jump start with the live another car, make sure first of all you have to connect negative line, and after that you can connect positive line. Don't mix up the lines. If you mix up the line, you ending with unexpected problem. Could be blown fuse, could be spark and fire, or could be blown battery. Careful, don't going to mix up. Check 2 3 4 times, doesn't matter. Make sure positive to positive, negative to negative. Connect negative line first and connect positive afterward. And when you're going to remove, again disconnect the negative and come to the positive, right? Okay, this is your oil filter located. If you want to change the oil filter, this is your oil filter located, right? At the moment I don't want to talk anything more than that in engine bay. And also this vehicle has a AdBlue system, because diesel, I'll show you where you want to top up AdBlue. When you come into the rear flap, this is the AdBlue one, this is the diesel. Don't going to add petrol here, and also don't going to add diesel or petrol here. This is only AdBlue. When you top up AdBlue, use pure water and rinse around this area, you are fine, right? Okay, and next step, I want to show you how we going to reset the service light without computer, because after this video I'm going to do the service of this car. Then I can show you how am I going to reset service light of Mercedes C-Class. This method you can apply 2014 to 2019's C-Class, E-Class, A-Class, GLC. Yeah, lot of cars you can apply this same method for the most Mercedes cars. If your steering has a like this buttons, you know, if your steering has a like this button, you can apply this method to many Mercedes, right? Just do the one turn. When you do the second turn, your ignition on, you can see 24 days overdue. What you have to do, just install the key and ignition, turn one turn. Then after that, mileage need to be this screen, right? If you in a like this screen, it's not going to be work. Make sure it's need a this mileage screen, right? Mileage screen there. I'll turn one turn the key, ignition not on. Then I'm going to hold call button and OK button together. 1 2 3, right? When you holding call and OK button together 3 seconds, you can see this menu, right? If you want to replace the brake pad, the electrical brake pad, you have to press this menu. If it not, if you need to go to the service menu, go to the plus menu and press OK button here. Now it's asked ignition on, turn another one more circle, right? Now it's ignition on, and after that press OK. Then you can see service data. Then I'm scroll down to the full service and go scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, confirm service, right? Press and say OK. Yeah, are you want to sure you carried out? Yes, select yes and press OK. Scroll down and confirm. Full service completed. Now before you saw it's saying this car need a service, we'll have a now. See, your service light disappeared. Now that's the way you need to reset service light. Make sure you done the service first before you reset. Okay, now you know how to check your engine bay, how to top up, how to jumpstart, how to reset your service light. Thanks for watching. If you need to join with us, our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, all link below. You can click that link and join with us. If you have any question, comments, any suggestion, any more videos, please let me know. I'll come back to you. Thank you. See you in the next video.